Welcome back to PowerTech TV. Here we've got something new. It's a 2017 Raptor. It's not super new, obviously it's secondhand. It's an F150. It's a car we put together for one of our friends. We do these for customers. 3.5 litre V6 EcoBoost. It's not a 2 litre Ranger Raptor, it's an F150 Raptor. Standard, they make about 220 kilowatts at the big tyres. You can see we put a smaller tyre on it. They're obviously off a Shelby F150, so they get a bit better drive on the roller. We've done a nice little upgrade package for this. Little K&N air inlets, bolt-on Garrett turbos. They're not huge things, but they're just a nice upgrade over standard. You can hear Garrett strapping the thing down now at the moment, laying on his back under the back of it. You go, Garrett. And a full race intercooler at the front, and there goes my phone, as it does with every video I ever do, so isn't that great? I'll just put you on silent. Don't swear, Garrett. And we've got a turbo back exhaust system with some high flow caps, so she's all legal. This is a nice little package. We're going to custom tune this thing with our own software. We're going to see how we can go. We can get about 300 kilowatts at the wheels out of this. That's a pretty hefty increase with massive torque. I'd be looking for 300 odd Newton meters as a gain, and look, it's going again. So we'll leave it here and I'll answer this pest on the phone.
Hello! Down! Lasso!
It's all right, there's always lots of talking going on around here at PowerTech Tuning, particularly when you get a nice little result like this. You know, we got the mid-low 200 kind of number that this thing had to start with, and we've jacked it to a good solid, in the end, you saw 321 on that run. We actually got 322. So yeah, but that's not the whole story. The whole story is at about 4,000, we're making over 100 kilowatts at the wheels. This is only quite a small V6 with a couple of very little turbos on it. So at the top, it starts to get a little bit strangled in terms of airflow, even still with the upgrades we've done. You know, so we're only making like 40 at the top, 50 at the top, but we're making 100 in the middle. And that 100 is where you feel it when you're driving the car from a standing start or pulling something with it, you know, good going. Have a look at the torque at that 3,500, 4,000 revs. We're making 300 Newton meters more at the wheels. That will get a big heavy F truck to do the business. It sort of kind of gives them like a big diesel approach with top end power. So it makes more than a tuned 6.7 F truck does, diesel. I mean, obviously it's a bit shy on the torque, but only by a few hundred Newton meters, you know, only by about 250. So it does really upgrade these Raptors into the good jumping buses that they really are. So focus here, not here, and focus here, right in the meat of the rev range, right where you need it. So for any of you vegetarians out there, the Raptor's probably not a great solution because it's very, very meaty. But I hope you really enjoyed this one, because we enjoyed putting this car together, and we've got another 2 to do. And the best news is my phone hasn't rung in this third part of the segment, so tune into PowerTech TV real soon.